Hi there, this is Marcus again with another QuickBooks, tip showing you how to do things in QuickBooks. I've been using QuickBooks for a long time. I can help you achieve anything that you want in QuickBooks. So today we're just gonna say we need to pay a check immediately. So instead of, entering and paying bills and stuff like that, let's just say we need to pay a bill right now. Let's just say somebody came to us, did some work for us, and we just need to pay them a bill right now. Pay them a check right now. Sorry about that. So we want to go to plus new at the top left, and we're going to go to check. And then let's just enter in a payee. So let's go with Lee Advertising. So let's just say Lee Advertising just did advertising for us today, and we need to pay them a check today. So next we need to say what bank account it's coming from. So we're just going to say it's coming from the checking account. This check is written from the checking account. The payment date is going to be today. The check number, we're going to say is 71. And now we're going to say the category is going to be advertising. And we're just going to say the amount is $100. All right, so now let's go to print check here at the bottom. So all you have to do, once you're done, you'll just go to print check. And we'll just say, yes, I'm finished with setup. And then now we're just going to click on this. We're going to go to preview and print after we make sure this stuff looks right. So, checking, date, pays Lee Advertising. And we want to put starting check number 71 because that's what we had on there. Make sure this check number equals the check number that you had on that check that you put. And then we're going to go to preview and print. And this is what it's going to look like when you print it off. And then you just click print. And then you'll click print again. And then you're just going to choose the printer that you want to print it off from. And that's it. That's all you have to do. That's how you enter in, pay a check when you need to do it immediately. If you're going to be entering in bills and stuff like that, you want to do what we discussed in another video. You want to enter the bill, then pay the bill. But since somebody's providing a service for us on the same day that we need to pay them, you can just skip the entering bill part and just enter the check and print it off. That's a little bit much simpler to do. So once again, I hope you really enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'm going to be making a lot of QuickBooks videos, and I really hope you find some value in this. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.